Alright, so you should be able to see me. Yeah, you can. But I just caught one. I have another one in the back. Yeah, earlier today I caught a really, really good. But I am gonna have to put a warning because I'm gonna start swearing soon if these goddamn bluegills don't stop pissing on me. He just got spined. I want to keep this video family friendly, but soon I'm gonna start swearing if these guys don't stop pissing on me. So if you guys see a warning at the beginning of the video for swearing and stuff, this is why. Because I'm getting pissed on by fish. What the I'm not gonna say it. I'm trying to keep this video family friendly. Alright, let's go. Where's the bobber? Already? Holy crap! Yeah, I'm gonna have to put a warning. Holy crap already! Immediately! Fish are biting! I'm not gonna keep this one. He's just a little too small. Alright. He's just a little too small. Why are you guys like that? Yeah, he's just a little too small. A little too small. A little smaller than the last ones I've caught. Well, actually, yeah. I've caught it. See, I forgot to start recording a few times, so I don't have the videos that I would like to. There you go, fishy. Yeah, I got two back there. Sadly, I don't got a water space for them. So, they are dead. It's just a post-mortem response. Something fish have. Same with, like, when you see those videos of, like, a frog kicking when it's being cooked, like, after it's been dead and stuff. Yeah, it's a post-mortem response. We don't have those, but fish do. Fish, frogs, and I don't know the other ones. Alright, I'm scared because I just heard something jump. And I know there are muskie by here. Is it still on? Yeah. Because I know there are muskie on this lake, so and I don't have a leader. And this is only like a 1.5 or 2 pound test. And that's not going to hold a muskie. Especially because I don't have a leader. But yeah, that was a quick catch. Immediately, I missed my bobber. I couldn't see it, and it was gone already. Let's see how long it takes this one. Oh, I think I'm already getting bites. Oh, wow. Fish. Yeah, I got him. I don't think it's that big. Doesn't feel big. No. Too small. I'm gonna let this guy go. And also, if you guys don't want to hear the word God, sometime when I am gonna stop. But when I cook them, I am not gonna say the prayer out loud, but I am gonna pray before I eat. So, if you don't want to hear me say amen or any of that, I would advise you to, at the end of, once you see that I'm about to eat, to leave the video, because I am gonna say, I'm not gonna say the prayer out loud, but I am gonna say, dear God, and amen. So, when you already heard them, but if you don't want to hear them anymore, just don't watch the part where I'm about to eat them. Down again. Let's see, do it. And I have a fish. Oh, I love this lake. This lake's been getting better and better for fish. This one's definitely not a keeper. Yeah, it's a little small. Just a little small. Little small guy. Small fry. Oh, he swallowed this hook. Oh, no. Stop. Oh, wait. I might have just got the hook back. Stop flopping. No! If you're gonna flop, get out of my boat! Ah, God. Sorry, guys. Flop back this way. Oh, stop. Ow. Fuck you. Yeah, I am gonna have to put a warning at the beginning of this video for swearing and all that. Ah, I just got spined bad. Well, injuries are injuries. Let them be. I don't care. I'm bleeding a bit. Oh, I had a bite. I don't expect any big ones right here, though. So I'm probably just going to recast. 3, 2, 1. Yep, nothing online. Hopefully they didn't steal my worm like the little worm stealers they are. Yep, they didn't steal my worm. Alright, let's see what I catch. No way I'm already getting bites. See, I like these cup holders because I can use... Oh, I have a fish. Oh, he's good. Ooh, maybe not. He might be. Oh, yeah, he's decent. Yeah, that's a keeper. That is a keeper. Another keeper beluga. Stop. No spine. He's pissing on me again. Oh, I hate. Not that he's pissing on me. Like, I still don't like that, but... He swallowed the hook, I'm pretty sure. It's not good. Then it's gonna rip him. Maybe not, but... Most of the time, that's how it ends up, is they get ripped. It rips their insides when they swallow the hook. That's why whenever, even if it's like a baby, if they swallow the hook and I have to rip it, I will keep... Oh, yeah, that's... Oh, no, I'm gonna keep him, but I'm gonna have to cut my line. I don't know if I have any other hooks. Hopefully I do. I'm gonna have to check first. Oh, I have another hook, so I am gonna cut my line. Go back there with the other fish. Yeah, they keep on pissing on me, which I don't like. But that's what happens while you're fishing. You get pissed on by fish when you catch... I don't like getting pissed on by the fish, but it's gonna happen. They all are just pissing on me. It's like they've never gone to the bathroom in their life. And I am gonna guaranteed having to put it... The reason you guys are hearing this is because I can't edit for shit. And my 8th period teacher, if you're trying to play this mid-class, you're already regretting it. I can tell, because there's going to be a lot of swear words in this video. So, I would not recommend playing this. You can watch it, but I would not recommend you play this mid-class, because obviously not the most appropriate. But yeah, if you made it to this point, thanks. I mean, I'm not going to be one of those people who are going to tell you you have to like and subscribe if you made it this far. It would be nice, but you don't have to. I just do this for fun because I like fishing, and well, I have a YouTube channel, so, and I have a GoPro. It's scratched, so there's going to be blurriness on it, so it's not going to be the best quality videos, but I still like to record myself fishing because it's fun. Fishing's fun. It's like my entire For You page is songs and fishing and hunting. And how to write songs, because I've been working on one. That actually is what I was gonna make a video about. I'm writing a song, and it's gonna hopefully... Already? Holy! But yeah, and that's this one might be another keeper. But yeah, if I'm gonna post a song, but if hopefully it's by the end of the year, because then my teacher can hear it, because then he'll know. Oh, and no, he's not big enough. Luckily, he didn't swallow the hook like the last one. At least the last one I was gonna keep anyway. Throw him back in. Alright. I'm gonna have to go in CapCut and make like a fish counter at the bottom. how many fish I've caught. I want to max out today. So, right now, I have 3. So I need 22 more bluegill to max out. And I want to get my bag limit today. I haven't maxed out my bag in a while. I did it like... Oh, I almost had it. But I did it last year like 5 times. It's fun. Because I eat the fish. Like, none of the fish go to waste. And I live off fish. They're delicious. So I have no problem with eating fish all the time. It's that it takes a while, and normally I'm sunburnt after. Oh, I missed the hook set. Oh, missed the hook set again. Is this still recording?